Bangkok, Thailand. I just arrived off a motorbike. I was in Chinatown, heading back to my hotel, and I was like, you know what? Drop me off at Nana. It's on the way anyway. And last time I was here, I did almost nothing. I wasn't able to. Chicken feed in the house. So, oh man, they check all kinds of bags and stuff here. They got flashlights. Probably will not be able to film in there. And this is like lady boys reign supreme in this area. They do not like to be filmed. But I'm going to see if I can get some of the stuff that I can film, if it's possible. Join me in Nana Plaza. Okay, so first of all, to get through here, you got to come here. Let me see how this works. Hey, what does it take to get in here, sir?
Go back. Go ahead.
Got my camera, that's going to stay in there. Okay. Thanks, buddy. I thought I was back online in TSA, you know?
You have a good night.
Hey, thanks, buddy. You too. All right, we're in. Selfie! I'm in Nana. Look at this bar, guys. So as you can see, I'm leaving, and that was pretty interesting. I will say that I don't like to compare. I learned that from my good friend in the Philippines. But what I will say is, what it reminds me of is, in Fort Lauderdale we have Beach Place. That big giant, what's up, buddy? No, last time I bought one, it broke. Huh? It broke. Yeah, broken. What it reminds me of is, in Fort Lauderdale we have Beach Place, which is entertainment and food and drink complex right across the street from the ocean. I shot what I could until they told me not to. What do you got? Oh, there he is. He's Mr. Massage guy. Yeah? Oh, see him, he knows. He's not camera shy. What do you got? Live shows? Oh, I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to blur that out. Oh, you like my Buddha? It's not Buddha though. You know who that is? Oh, sorry. Nice bumping into you. This is Lampu Tot. Long. Yeah. Oh, come on, you don't know Lampu Tot? Get with the program, sir. Now he knows. He's good, right?
Yeah,
He's good.
Good.
Look, any good luck. All right, my friend. Come and see him for what's on there. And is that your tuk-tuk?
Yeah,
He's got a tuk-tuk also. All right, come see my friend.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Take care. I don't want to stand here and film because that spot is like famous. Where it says Nana Hotel, it's a famous spot. A lot of ladies lean up against that wall and don't want to be on camera, so I'm going to respect that and just walk. So I stopped filming, but that didn't stop me from walking around. Met some very interesting people. My man Alex from Jordan and my man Darren from Australia. Big shout out to you. Great guy. We had a nice chat and it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed my little walk around in there, and that's basically what I did. I walked into one place for about 8 seconds and then walked out. If you're going to drop a lot of money in there, and that's fine if that's what makes you happy, but I just wanted to check it out and strike it off the bucket list. I can say I was there. And so were you. What kind meat? What kind?
I don't know.
It's lamb? Lamb? Beef. Wow. Honey, I don't think we're in Thailand anymore. Is this Thailand?
Yes.
It doesn't feel like Thailand all of a sudden. Where are we? Where are we? Tell me where we are. India? Pakistan?
No, Arab. This
Arabic.
area, yes. Nana Street.
I love it. What is the predominant country? Where in Saudi Arabia or
Half Emirat is more here in this area. Emirat and Kuwait.
UAE?
Yes.
Ah, and where else?
But another country have many Pakistani and India in this area also.
Yes, I noticed
But
that.
it's Muslim, same Muslim area.
It's a great combination, sir.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. So there you go. United Arab Emirates, UAE, he said. Interesting. I've never seen that before. What is that, sir? Never seen anything like it.
It's like a tamarind, but it's
Tamarind.
It's not dry one.
What country is it from? Do you know? What country?
I know that from our country we get this from Oman.
Where?
In Arab countries.
Which country in Arab?
Oman.
Oman.
Even other places
Oman.
can get
Beautiful. It's wonderful. Thank you, sir. I'm hungry, guys, and I know just what I'm gonna get. Can you guess? Is that what I think it is? It's legal here. It's legal.
No, speak English. I am sorry, boss.
Okay.
Hey, I've been following you.
What?
I've been following you on YouTube.
Yo, no, what's your name, sir?
Brian.
Ryan? All right, nice to see you. Where are you from?
Philippines. Yeah, I've been following you Philippines, Vietnam.
Hey, let me tell you something. The Filipinos have been so supportive of me. I can't even tell you, Brian. Thank you for saying hello. Take care now. Oh, man, he almost broke my hand. Hey, go easy there, Brian, next time. Tough handshake.
Fast. Polish, Omega, Bradley, Mogulo.
How much?
This,
Yeah.
check. What do you like, my friend?
How much?
What do you like this, huh?
I'm just asking how much the price is.
This price, this price.
Yeah, this one. How much?
2,500.
Huh?
2,500.
2,500. Okay, I'll bet you go a lot lower than that. You get what you pay for in life, ladies and gentlemen. I always heed that advice. Oh man, you're rich. I think that might be another scam, but I don't know. I'm debating that. Most of you guys might know that already. If you live here, you're from here, or you've been here often, I don't know. But listen, they're walking around, they got the big dragon's head on, the whole outfit. It's heavy, it's hot, so maybe they earn their keep. I don't know. I'm not paying them. There's almost nothing left. Well, another expression that holds true to form is the early bird gets the worm. We are definitely the late bird, as it is approaching 11 p.m. And this is all that's left, so I went for one of those. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk and eat it. Thank you. Perfect, perfect. Can I get napkin? You read my mind. Thank you so much. Feast your eyes on this. There's nothing like a late night snack. Oh, it's so good. There's a little pesto sauce in there. There's eggplant. There's fresh tomatoes on it. And mozzarella cheese. And the crust is really good. I will say the pizza definitely improved since my last trip here. Bon appetit. So guys, that's about going to do it for me from here at Nana Plaza, world famous Nana Plaza here in Bangkok, Thailand. I hope you enjoyed this tour every bit as much as I did. Till next time, on the sidewalk from here in Nana Plaza, right across from Buddy, this is America Plaza saying stay well.